Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. In today's video, I'll guide you through importing credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online. You'll want to navigate to the Banking Center, where you can import transactions automatically by connecting your credit card account to QuickBooks. I'll also explain how to manually import your credit card transactions if your credit card isn't supported by QuickBooks or if you prefer not to connect it. If you viewed my tutorial on how to import bank transactions, then this lesson will be a breeze. The process is very similar, except you're importing credit card transactions instead of bank account transactions. From my QuickBooks Online dashboard, click on the Transactions tab in the left-hand side toolbar and then select Bank Transactions. If this is the first bank or credit card account you've connected to QuickBooks, you'll see a screen allowing you to connect your account to QuickBooks Online. Since I've already connected another bank account or credit card, I'm taken directly to the Banking Center. From the Banking Center, click the Link Account button to add a new credit card account. You'll want to select your credit card from the displayed options or type in the name of your credit card provider in the search box. QuickBooks Online supports over 20,000 financial institutions worldwide, so it's likely that your credit card provider is supported for automatic import into QuickBooks Online. However, if you can't locate your bank, import your transactions manually, which I will discuss later. After selecting the bank or credit card provider, I'm choosing Capital One, QuickBooks displays a new screen. It asked me to sign into my bank account with your online banking login and password. QuickBooks then opens a new browser where I could sign in to my credit card account. After signing in, my credit card provider asked me to confirm that I wanted to share my banking information with Intuit and provide a summary of the information to be shared. I clicked the appropriate button on my bank's confirmation page, and I was taken back to QuickBooks. Next, I selected the appropriate credit card account from my chart of accounts. I could also add a new one if it hadn't already been created. This account is where the imported transactions will automatically be recorded. QuickBooks displays a list of available accounts associated with my bank. This list included various types of accounts, such as credit card, checking, and savings. If you have a new account, then click Add New, shown below, at the top of the drop-down box to open the New Account Setup form. To create a new account, you need to provide essential information. I prepared a tutorial on setting up chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online if you want to learn more, but for now, you can provide a few details, such as the appropriate account and the account name. You also need to select the starting date or the date when you want to begin tracking transactions for that account in QuickBooks, and the opening balance. Once done, click the green Save button. After linking the credit card to an account from your chart of accounts, you must decide when QuickBooks should begin importing transactions. Click the green Connect button when you're done. After connecting my credit card account, QuickBooks Online took me to the Banking Center. I found the downloaded transactions ready for review in the For Review tab. Now that my credit card account is connected, new transactions will be imported automatically into QuickBooks Online daily. You can also click Update in the upper right corner to import any new transactions immediately. For business resources, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. If you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.